Hello, I am Anshul and in this video we'll talk about dishonest sellers and different ways in which they cheat customers and how much profit they make on doing so. So the two common ways of cheating are by using faulty weights or by mixing some impurities. In faulty weight scenario, you are shown that you are getting 1 kg rice as there is 1 kg weight kept on the balancing scale, but actually that weight is of 800 grams and with a sticker of 1 kg pasted on it. So it appears to be 1 kg but actually it is 800 grams only. Or there can be a hidden 200 gram magnet attached to the bottom of the other pan, so that on adding 800 gram rice it becomes equal to 1000 grams. Now in adulteration scenario, you pay for 1 liter of milk but you get less as there is some water mixed into it. So basically in both these cases you are charged for full but delivered less. Now let's look at both the cases one by one. These are the different cases that we'll be discussing. In each case, we are assuming that the shopkeeper sells at the cost price. He is not adding any extra margin. Whatever profit he is making comes by cheating customers. Okay? First case, he uses 800 gram weight instead of 1000 grams. So customer pays for 1000 grams but he is getting 800 grams only. The customer gets 800 grams only. So let's assume that the price of 1 gram is 1 rupee. So price of 800 grams will be 800 rupees and price of 1000 grams will be 1000 rupees. Now 800 gram rice costed the shopkeeper 800 rupees. So 800 is the cost price. But shopkeeper is selling it for 1000 rupees, telling the customer that it is 1000 gram rice. But actually it is 800 gram rice. So 1000 rupees is the selling price. Okay. Now as there is no discount being offered, selling price is same as the marked price. And markup percentage will be calculated on cost price. 200 upon 800 into 100. That will be 25%. So using a faulty weight and selling less stuff for more could be treated as markup. It is important that you are able to relate these. False weighing could be related to markup. Okay. Now sometimes reverse can also happen due to error in the electronic scale. That's our second case. When 1000 grams are put on weighing scale and it reads 100 grams. The shopkeeper puts 1000 gram on the scale. He is selling 1000 grams. But due to some technical glitch, some technical error, the scale shows 800 grams. So the customer pays for 800 grams only, but he is getting 1000 grams, thereby causing a loss to the shopkeeper. So now the item of 1000 rupees, shopkeeper is selling it for 800. So cost price is 1000 and selling price is 800. And selling price minus cost price is minus 200. So marked down percentage will be minus 200 upon 1000 into 100. That is 20%. There is a loss of 20%, or this sort of faulty weighing can be treated as marking down the cost price. Okay, it is similar to marking down the cost price. So faulty weighing scale can easily be dealt with marking up and marking down the cost price. Okay. Here, instead of 1000 and 800 grams, the question can also mention false weighing in terms of percentages. Like the first case, look at the first case. It is equivalent to using a weight which is 20% less than the actual measure. Right? So that won't make any difference, as we can assume values on the basis of percentages. We can assume 1800 grams. We can assume 180 grams based on percentages. So this could also be asked. This could also be asked in terms of percentages, like using a weight which is 20% less than the actual measure. This we'll do in the next case. Third case, adulteration or mixing impurity. Shopkeeper adds 20% water to the milk. Again, we will assume 1 ml milk to cost 1 rupee and water of course is free. So if milk is 1000 ml, its cost will be 1000 rupees and water added is 20% of the milk. 20% of 1000 ml is 200 ml. Now this mixture is 1200 ml and the milkman will tag it as 1200 ml of pure milk, okay, to sell it for 1200 rupees. So cost price is 1000 and selling price is 1200 and markup is of 200 upon 1000 into 100, that is 20%. Okay, one last case. Water is 20% of the total mixture. If the total mixture is 1000 ml, then water is 200 ml and that means rest 800 ml will be pure milk costing rupees 800. Now the cost price is rupees 800 and selling price is rupees 1000 and markup will be 200 upon 800 into 100, that is 25%. So these were the ways in which dishonest sellers usually cheat customers. I hope this video helped in clearing up these concepts. Thank you.